Survive and Thrive was a campaign we did in the autumn 2016, and it was a one-day event where we promoted the subject librarians who no longer have a frontline presence in both our libraries in Swansea.
This was really key to new students, where we had changed our structure and the librarians were no longer sitting at the front desk. So they needed to know where they can find information, but also where they can find the help.
So we did a sort of obvious online social media campaigning as well, but we also did plasma screens, which are available across campuses, both campuses, and we did traditional leaflet marketing as well.
I think what a key bit of it was the engagement the librarians have and pulling them in. They were part of the event themselves. So they were suggesting peer advice for how to get to assignments and things like that. So it was almost a joint effort with the librarians there saying what we could provide, and the students also helping each other. And so I think what was quite nice about the event was it pulled it together and almost how we work as partners with our students. And that they could come to us for help, but they also themselves could help each other with the knowledge that they gained from talking to their librarian.
It was very much a joined-up thinking campaign across all sort of media, not forgetting the traditional students who may not be on our social media, but also leaflets and posters.